What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'll show you guys how to solve the error pop-up message during the time you try to install Adobe software. So let's get started. So first thing first, let me just show you the error. Okay. So if I try to install software, Adobe software, I'll just go to run as administrator, and then if I try to install, it will show an error. Okay, it's taking time. Okay. You can see this error. Update your browser to use Adobe services. Please update your Adobe applications, operating systems, and browser to the latest versions. So this is the error, and to solve this error, all you need to do is just go to the network icon on your taskbar menu. Okay, so simply right click on it and then go to network and internet settings. Right over here on the bottom part you can see the option that says advanced network settings. Simply click on that, and then right over here you have three options. The first one is Bluetooth network. Obviously I don't need to talk about that. Okay, I need to disable Wi-Fi and Ethernet, both. Okay, so simply click on disable. uh, I don't know, let's go back. Okay, network and internet advanced setting, and then click on Ethernet and then disable it. Okay, now both the options are disabled, both the networks are disabled. You can simply go ahead and then simply run as administrator and then ATS. Now you can continue to install the software. So this is how you solve that error pop-up message. So thank you so very much for watching the video, and this was actually not my problem. This was problem of one of my subscribers. He messaged me, so I just feel like I need to reply with the video. So thank you very much for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next episode, and if you genuinely like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe the channel before you leave. Thank you very much. Bye bye.